Hey guys, so I'm coming to you today with a video, and this planner, if you haven't seen it, I have another video where I did a Webster's Pages review, and this planner is part of the review as the 2019-2020 planners, but I call them 2020 because, when they first had this line out, it took forever for them to come out with the planners in a sense of being available so everybody can buy it. But nevertheless, this is an update because I have decorated and I wanted to show you how I decorated. And if you would like to see, just keep watching and you will be inspired. Okay, so first off, I decided to call this one Heaven. I don't know if I'm going to change the name or not, but I saw this and I absolutely fell in love with this planner. It has glitter on it. It is kind of like, it's not a snow white. It's just a tad bit of an off-white, but it's white. And I really, really love it. The glitter doesn't come off of this. They did a pretty good job making it. So this reminds me of just all the beautiful things of heaven, the sparkles, the beauty, the purity. So that's why I named it Heaven. And I am going to show you the cute little, I have a crystal on here, and I'm going to focus this. Okay, so the tag says Inspire, and then I put a pearl little bead on here, a flat back. And then this is a Swarovski crystal, and this is the opal. I don't think it's AB, but I think it's the opal color. Okay, and then I had this charm here that I got from, I want to say I got this from Joann's. And I thought that this was so fitting. I had got two of them. So I had one here. I have one here. And then I have one back here. And they just sparkle so, so pretty. And I thought it was just so fitting. The colors are absolutely gorgeous. Okay, and when you open it, here are beautiful, beautiful flowers that I decorated it with. These are Prima flowers, and this is the poetic something. I can't quite remember. It's poetic. I'm gonna find out the name of it. Anyways, and then I put Swarovski crystals all around here. This paper pack is this a die cut? No, chipboard sticker. This one came from the Capri collection, and this has the iridescent foiling on there, which has like that rainbow pretty foil, and I love rainbow, so I thought that this was just so perfect with it. In the back here, I have a music card, and I'm not going to pull that out because it is kind of snug in there. I have from the Capri collection, this slides out easy, so I'm going to, okay, so I cut this card, and I thought it was just so pretty. And you see the iridescent foil on there? Very, very pretty. So I have this one, and then I have this one here. Yeah, this one's better. It's just so beautiful. And hey, I thought it was fitting for it. This is just a seriously beautiful, beautiful planner. And then all the papers came together. Now this is different. This is a dashboard, and it's a functionable dashboard. I had made this out of felt. I had got some felt paper or fabric, and what I did was I decided to make a functionable dashboard, and what I did was I put the crystals here, the same opal colored crystals on here, and let me see if I can make them shine for you guys a little bit. If you can see that. Let's see. Oh, it's not doing it on the camera. Okay. Yeah, it's not doing it on the camera. I found out a trick to make the crystals really, really shine, but on camera, I don't know. It doesn't really give that sparkly shine that I want you guys to see. Nevertheless, okay, so I put Velcro on here, and I haven't finished the inside, but I am going to show you what I've done so far. And so I decided to glue these cute little crystal dots. This is say with crystals. It matched with the pack. It comes with the, it doesn't come with it. It's sold separately, but it matches the Capri collection from Prima. And then I put another pearl dot up here. And then what I did here was I folded a piece of paper and I glued it together, because on the cord, because I'm not going to take this out ever. And I put the Sable crystals up here, and then I put a chipboard sticker here, and I think I end up gluing this down just so it won't go anywhere. And then I have I have another chipboard that says "Love This," and then I have the stickers here, and these are very, very, very shiny and very glittery. And right now the sun is not out, so it's not really doing any justice. But if you own any of these, then you know what I'm talking about. These are absolutely beautiful. When I seen them, I said, oh, I gotta have them. I gotta have them. And so I have 3 here, and then I have some more flowers here, and I have this flower on there. And then I put, and this is Velcro, so I'm just going to Velcro this closed so it stays. And then I had made this a flower paper clip and put a little felt and a pearl back here. Very pretty. And then I have another beautiful flower here. And I have put crystals here, and this is the music paper that I was showing you in the front. I made a cute little insert with that, and then this is just white paper, and so I have that paper clip on this insert, and then I have this pretty paper. I got this paper here at Michael's, and this matches absolutely perfectly with the TN. So I was just so happy when I seen this, and I said, yes, I am definitely going to be making an insert with this. So this is, I think this is the original Webster's pages, yes. And what I did was I glued this back and front. I double-sided it, so yeah. And then I have the flower up here. And here's the back. And then here is the back of the TN. And I had these cute pastel color feathers for a long time. And it reminds me of angel wings. And so I said, you know what, this is perfect because this whole theme is like a pastel, very light, very beautiful, very pure. And so I decided to put the feathers in here, and then I have extra pockets here, and I didn't put anything in these. And then I have this cute bow that I have made out of ribbon, and this ribbon has wire in it, so I can shape it and mold it the way I want to. And then this is a gold paper clip, and unfortunately the color is coming off, but oh well, it's a gold paper clip. And then what I did was I wrapped it with some other type of fabric, and I like the way it came out. So this is how it looks, and of course I am going to add a pen later on to this. And this is how the back looked, and then when it's closed, this is how the top of it looked. So I really love the way this came out. I am not quite sure what I am going to use this for as yet. I know I am going to pretty it up some more, so I'll probably do like some, I don't know, decorations on each page, just something pretty to look at. But I really love the way that this came out. So thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification button, so every time I upload a video, you guys will get notified and check it out. Thank you so much. God bless, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. Hey guys, so I wanted to include this part. I made a bookmark charm, and I really like making these bookmark charms, so it's like one of my staple things to make now when I have a TN. And so I wanted to show you that these are the glass beads. These are glass beads. This one, I think this one's a glass bead too. But these little, the ones in the middle, the spacers, these are Swarovski crystals. And I thought they was just so fitting and beautiful. And then this is also a glass bead here, which I thought matched perfectly with the theme. And I have it laying in between this insert here, just like that, and it comes up. And what I did, I got smart after a while. Instead of having this come all the way to the top here, as you would see some people, and hang it over, I decided to string this through the middle so it wouldn't go anywhere. And then look, I hung my charm on there. So I thought that was excellent. I have not seen anybody do this. So I thought it was just excellent, because then I don't have to worry about it hanging over here and flip-flopping all over the place. It stays in place here. It looks neat, and it just hangs perfectly. It doesn't take away from your charms. So I wanted to come back and show you that. Okay guys, thanks for watching.